The Yamaha XSR series of motorcycles are highly popular across the globe, especially the smaller 125cc and 155cc iterations. While these bikes already look stunning, with their adorable neo-retro clothing. Finally, Yamaha has introduced a new Cafe Racer custom kit for the smallest XSR125, which makes it look even more glamorous. Revealed at the Osaka Motorcycle Show in Japan, this custom kit comprises subtle cosmetic add-ons, which ramp up its aesthetic desirability. The most conspicuous part is the retro-style bubble fairing at the front. This is accompanied by a custom single-piece seat, aluminum crankcase cover, and a metal bash plate. All of these components have been donned on a red and black XSR125, which looks quite appealing overall. The XSR125 has been left untouched on the mechanical front. It continues to be powered by a 125cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that churns out around 14.5 bhp and 11.5 Nm of peak torque. Transmission duties are handled by a 6-speed gearbox. It rides on 17-inch alloy wheels that are suspended by premium upside-down forks up front and a monoshock at the rear. All of this works in conjunction with the Delta box frame and aluminum swing arm. The braking is taken care of by a single disc at both ends. Now talk about launch. The release date of the car body is still undecided, but it is a model that is easy to ride and customize. As attractive a package as the Yamaha XSR125 is, it's equally unlikely to arrive in the Indian market. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe our channel, like and share it with others, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.